Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. In my series of the income tax cases, the case which we will discuss today is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Sigma Castings Limited. This case has been reported in 96 ITR Tribunal, page number 318. The matter has been decided by Lucknow ITAT and the case has been decided on 28th April 2022. The facts of the case are very interesting. In this case, the ITAT gave relief to the assessee in a such case on the basis of two cases. The first one is CIT versus Kabul Chawla 2016. It is a very famous case. And the second case is Principal CIT versus Meeta Gutgutia 2018. In the case of Meeta Gutgutia case, the department filed special leave petition before the Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court dismissed the special leave petition even without giving notice to the assessee. The department filed rectification application when the Lucknow ITAT gave decision in favor of the assessee that in the present case the verdict of Meeta Gutgutia should not be applied, but the verdict of CIT versus Rajkumar Arora 2014, which is a Allahabad High Court judgment, should apply. The point of department was that in the special leave petition dismissed by the Supreme Court in the case of Meeta Gutgutia case, no law was laid down because it was only a dismissal of the special leave petition by the Supreme Court, so no law was laid down in that case. This was the main point of the department. But Lucknow ITAT said that when the special leave petition is dismissed by the Supreme Court, even then it is a speaking order. When the special leave petition is dismissed without giving notice to the other party, then it is like a confirmation of the decision of the High Court against which the special leave petition is filed. And the Lucknow ITAT further said that when the special leave petition is dismissed, then the decision of the High Court against which the special leave petition is dismissed becomes the law of the land and Article 141 applies, and that High Court decision becomes the law of the land because it is confirmed by the Supreme Court. So, saying that because the special leave petition has been dismissed, the ruling of High Court will apply of another jurisdiction will not prevail. So, in the present case, the version of the department that the jurisdictional High Court decision of Allahabad High Court will apply to the assessee and not the case of the Meeta Gutgutia will apply because the special leave petition was dismissed will not prevail. Friends, this is a very important case in understanding the interpretation of the law in those cases where the special leave petition is dismissed by the Supreme Court even without issuing the notice to the other party. This case just want to give a message that whenever a special leave petition is dismissed, the case against which the special leave petition is filed becomes the law of the land by a confirmation by the Supreme Court, because the Supreme Court says that the special leave petition is dismissed without any merit. It means that the Supreme Court thinks on that particular case that there is no need to hear that matter because the law which has been elaborated and which has been finalized by the High Court becomes the law of the land in that case. Friends, this case is very important. Once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax versus Sigma Castings Limited. Thank you, friends.